Hi everyone, welcome to Fresh Cooking. Today I want to share with you my quinoa, kale and chickpea warm salad. Hope you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get cooking. Ingredients needed is cooked quinoa, cooked chickpea. You can buy canned, just make sure it's organic. Some mushrooms, onions, avocado oil, some turmeric, cumin, paprika, cayenne and black pepper, some garlic and ginger, some peppers, tomatoes and celery, some kale, avocado. To get started, we need a pot on medium heat. Then we add our avocado oil, some onions, stir it together, some mushrooms, some celery. We just stir it together, some turmeric and garlic and all our different spices, and we just stir that together and let it simmer for about a minute. Then we add our chickpea, kale, and we just cover and let it sit for about 3 minutes. Then we add our peppers and stir. Then we add our quinoa and stir. Then salt to taste, and we just stir to get everything mixed in together. Then we add our tomatoes and let cook for about another 3 minutes. We continue to stir. So this is the final result. You can actually add some extra virgin olive oil to it if you wish, which is very good for you. If you don't like chickpea, you can add black beans to it. If you don't like kale, you can add broccoli and cauliflower. I do not want the ingredients that I have used to put you off, so please make this your own and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my delicious salad. Please be sure to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.